So hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of the most underrated operators in Python that you might not even know exist, the Walrus Operator. So let's get started. So what exactly is a Walrus Operator? So Walrus Operator, officially known as the assignment expression and introduced in Python 3.8, this operator looks like this. So it allows you to assign a value to a variable as part of an expression, making your code more concise and potentially more efficient. So let me show you an example. Imagine you are reading user input in a loop. Normally you do something like this, right? Let's run this. I'll type something. Let's type quit here and it stops working. Let's now do this with Walrus Operator. We are using Walrus Operator here, and let's comment this and let's run this. I'll enter something, I'll type quit and it stops working. As you can see, we are doing the assignment and the comparison in a single line. This is very useful when you want to reduce repetition in your code. Now you might be wondering, why should I use the Walrus operator? Well, there are a few key reasons. First is readability. It keeps your code clean and improve readability. Second is performance. It can sometimes improve performance by eliminating the need to evaluate an expression multiple times. And third is simplicity. It's great for situations where you want to assign a value and use it immediately in an expression, like in loops or conditional statements. Let's see another example. Let's say you are processing a list and you want to filter it, but you also need the length of the filter list. And we are using Walrus operator here. Let's run this and it's working. In this example, len gets assigned during the filtering process, and you can use it immediately without recalculating it later. But hold on, the Walrus operator isn't always the best choice. Here are some cases when you might want to avoid it. First is complex expressions. If the expression becomes too complex or unreadable, it might be better to stick with traditional assignment. Second is code readability. When collaborating with others, they might not be familiar with the Walrus operator, which could lead to confusion. So the Walrus operator is very powerful in Python, but like any operator, it's important to use it wisely. And try it out in your next Python project and see how it can simplify your code. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you plan to use the Walrus operator. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy coding.